No egg boa.
Ganda.
I go there now. I go there now. I go there
Yan,
now.
ada monkey masa. Tara dito. Diri sa tawa. Slowly. Yan, mga pictures mo media. Ha, view this kagayan.
Gabot na dito.
Ano lang.
Look, Mommy, I up. Hey, I high.
Gugu gaga. Mantul. Yan, dito na tayo mga kasama sa Amaya View. Amaya View.
Yan siya, Amaya View.
Amaya. Amaya.
Again? Amaya.
Very
Mommy, come here. Mommy, come here.
So yung mga kaisorya, itong Cagayan de Oro City. Ito yung overlooking ng Cagayan de Oro City galing dito sa Indahaw. Amaya View. Ito yung isa sa mga popular dito sa Cagayan de Oro City. At yun yung again, yung mga ibon dito mga kaisorya. Yung mga parrots, yung mga ibon dyan. Oh, tiger so big. Ayan kami. Say hi to the tiger. Oh,
You're not scared? Huh? Big tiger! Not so strong?
Dapat ko yun. Ano, lapaong na yan si ano. Hindi na yung kabuhay.
Sige ka na pag-i. Gado ka tiger kan? Sa tiger kan?
Ito mga kaisorya, ito yung malaking tiger dito sa Amaya View. Sobrang laki ang lakad niya.
Super big. Oh yeah, right.
Say hi.
Oh, the parrot no same right.
Look. What's that? We went, and we.
Hey, Lima.
Mommy, read eggs.
Mama? Mommy's gonna read that. Okay, the rainbow lorikeet. Atra. Unmistakable with its bright red, beak, and colorful plumage. Yeah, that's the parrot. And that's what's the parrot? Wow, that's a black parrot.
Okay, I go now.
Yeah, it's a black parrot.
I go, Mom. Okay, I'll go now.
Corella de Vil.
Mga spot mga kaisorya. May mga jahat pa rin. Yun lang yung ride nila doon. Mga ride nila.
It's an elephant. Big one. Big elephant.
Max, what's that, Max? What's this?
Hey, a boom boom.
Wanna sit down?
Boom boom.
Wanna sit down?
No.
Why?
What?
There, what's
The chair.
Yeah.
A chair hippo.
Oh, sit down there.
Chair
Sit down there.
A chair hippo.
Chair hippo.
Hey, I go.
You sit down
Ikut mo
there.
din. Picturean. Max, what is that?
Elephant?
Aking elepante dito mga kasoya. Peking elepante. Ito yung alam niya. Parang sungot. Ito yung alam niya. Parang ilong. Dito, panas Max. Nami ya pun diri main diri ta agi una. Diri una agi.
Para wahil.
Oh, lain na agi. Nam na ito.
Yes, how you smile?
Max, what's that? Oh
What's
dear.
that? Reindeer.
Baby deer.
Dagko kilang
Go to
cactus
the
niya.
baby deer. Picture, picture. Picture. Up. Here.
Oh dear.
Okay, up. Say hi to the video. Say hi to your video. Smile.
Max, what is that?
Deer.
A deer.
Baby deer.
Baby deer. Rodolph is there.
Okay.
Let's go down now.
Max, what's that? Oh dear.
Deer.
Max, that one is so big.
Deer. Meow. Cow. I know deer. What? Out of bed. No, no water. No, no water. No, let's go down now. Go, go, go.
Yes.
Huh? I
Come here, Max. Max, what's this?
A baby.
Baby kangaroo. Okay.
Baby.
Look.
That's Joey, Baby kangaroo is Joey.
What?
Baby tiger.
A mommy kangaroo.
Mommy tiger.
Oh look, mommy Greek and baby.
What's that? What's that, Max?
I don't know.
It's a sheep.
I don't know.
What about that? The long neck. There, a giraffe.
I don't know. No, I don't know.
And the monkey too.
Okay. Up there. Mom, I'm here up there
Oh,
too.
you wanna go up there? Go.
Go up there, go up there.
Mommy, hold me. I hold me.
Ah, so go to the giraffe then.
Sit down in the camel. Like mommy lang. Sit beside mommy lang.
Tara, papasok na tayo sa Noah's Ark. Noah's Ark. Papasok na tayo.
Python.
Oh.
What's that? Water pony. Sige lang, bye-bye. Python.
Ako okay now.
Go, go, go. Ano pa dito? Go, go to the lion side.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Oh, see? Is it real? No. Oh, over there on the beach. What's that? What's there? Come on, Max.
Good boy.
Okay.
Good.
Come on, Mommy. Smile. Okay.
I'll go down now.
Go down now.
Yung bagong bridge na dyan. So mga kaistorya, dito na tayo sa Noah's Ark. Andito na po tayo dito sa pinakataas niya, pinakatutok ng pinakataas na ng Noah's Ark. Dito po overlooking po yung siyudad ng Cagayan City po. At ito na po natin yung mataas na bundok dito sa Cagayan City. At yung view dyan, yun yung hanging bridge na mga kaisaya, at saka yun yung parang skydiving dyan sa baba, dyan banda. So yun si Haley Max. Hi Haley Max. Yan po yung anak ko, si Haley Max. Subscribe to her channel, Haley Max po. So yan po, ito na po yung pinakatutok ng Noah's Ark. Ito na po yung pinaka-summit. Ayan, ang magandang view po dito. Ang bagong update po natin sa Noah's Ark dito sa Cagayan City. So mga guys, ito po yung update po natin. At sana ay nag-enjoy po kayo. At please consider subscribing mga guys sa ating YouTube channel. Thank you so much. I'm holding a bear. Max, help! Help! Daddy, Abby. Bear. Oh no, no, bear. Help, Max. Help.
Max, here. Max.
Daddy,
Bad.
Bad bear.
Go.
Go back to it.
Eat the hippo.
No.
You eat the hippo.
No.
I'm hungry too. We eat together. What's this, Max? Oh, owie. Nagayagawaan na yung turtle. Oh, sun, nice.
Drone na
Green na po.
Go now.
Likim tabang sahih.
Dance again, dance. Ah. Mangla. Here. Here, Max.
Oh, plenty of flyers.
Go, go. That's Max now. Max, we play a game. New game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Max! Here, oh. Go down sa red one, oh. Here, okay. Down.
Sunset.
Here, mommy. Look at mommy. Look, mommy. 1, 2, smile. Smile, Max. Lihok.
Napressure ko lang ang buga ko. Puti.
If you fall, Daddy, go up again. Go up again. Oh, go up again. Say hi. Say hi, Max. Look at Mommy B. Max, look at Mommy. Smile. Okay.
Max, look at daddy. Come here. Look at the sun. Ooh, okay. Look at the sun there.
Touch the sun. Oh, bye bye sun.
Okay, let's go run to the sun.
Sun. Go. You can do it. Reach the sun. Catch it. Catch the sun, Max.
Nice yung sun. Picturean ka sana. Picturean na.
I picture Max, babe. Again, catch
Picture, picture.
Mommy, picture Max, babe. Max, I catch it.
Catch the sun.
Okay. Again. Again. Run, Mommy.
Okay.
One move.
Max. Tadi tuh.
Oh, watch them help me.
Go down tamin. Mana picture?
Oh, watch them,
Come, come, come.
Hey, look. Watch her. Mom, I
Sunset. Nagkanaki amenities na. Tahu na walang hi mga ka-istorya. Max, come here.
Max.
Wait, come here. Kak lang. Max, abi nag-iwi naman.
Is Max tired? I go home now. Say thank you for watching. Tell Mommy.
agree.
Bye bye. Say thank you for watching. Again. Again.
I like it.